Welcome back to another video. My name is Motion FX, and today we're going to break down this W trade we called live in the Discord this morning. As you guys can see right here, this is the trade we caught. It was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. We doubled the money we risked. So it was a good, easy, simple trade. So I'm going to break down this trade and show you guys why I took this setup. So the first thing I did when I came into the market was, okay, so first of all, I'm going to mark where I came into the market. I came into the market at 9 a.m. So it was on this blue vertical line. The first thing I did when I came into the market was I went on the daily time frame and I marked up the recent day, which is the 25th, which was yesterday. I marked up the recent daily high, which is the highest point of yesterday, and the highest point, and the lowest point of yesterday, which is the daily low. So we have the recent daily high and we have the recent daily low. Now, what I did was I went on the hourly time frame to determine what trend the market was trending in. So, like I said, I came into the market at 9 o'clock, which was on this blue vertical line, right? Now, as you guys can see, the market is trending upwards, right? We have a trend line, we draw the trend line, the market is trending upwards. Now, when I came into the market, I seen that price broke through that trend line. So that's telling me that price is now trending in a downtrend. Price is changing into a downtrend. So we're no longer in an uptrend, we're in a downtrend. So I knew that I was going to be looking for sells. Okay. So now that we find out what direction we're going to be trading in, we mark our resistance zones and our support zones. So when I came into the market, which is on this vertical line, I seen that we have support right here, as you guys can see. Price came down here, rejected it, and then pushed back up. And the price made resistance right here because it rejected that area and pushed back down. So we had resistance right here, which is, I'm going to make this yellow. We have resistance yellow and we have support green. Okay, so we have resistance and we have support. Now, all I wanted to see was for price to break this support zone. Now, as we get closer to market open, right, we seen that price was respecting this zone. As you guys can see, we have two candles right here that is respecting this candle right here. So we have another support zone. I call this the mid zone. I call it the mid zone. It can either be resistance or support, but in this case, it was obviously a support zone because price was above it. So what I wanted to see was price to break below this zone and I would enter on the trade. Why? Because we are overall trending in a downtrend. We know that on the hourly time frame, we was in an uptrend. But as you guys can see right here, we broke through that trend line and now we're trending to the downside, right? We're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we're obviously in a downtrend. All I wanted to see was for price to break that mid support zone at 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. is when the market opens. So I just want to see price break through that zone at 9:30 a.m. Why? Because we are in a downtrend and we're going to trade with the trend. We're not going to trade against the trend. So if price was to break out of the resistance zone before 9:30, I would not have entered because we know that the market is trending down. So we're not going to trade up if the market is trending down. You know what I'm saying? So we waited until 9:30. We got that breakout. We entered on our sell position, put our stop above the recent high, and we just targeted a 1 to 2 risk to reward and we cashed. It was that easy, that simple. All you got to do is just go on the higher time frames and you find out what direction the market is trending in. Once you find out the direction the market is trending in, you trade in that direction. So in this case, we seen that price was overall in an uptrend on the hourly time frame, but we got a breakout of the trend line, which is telling me that price is now switching to a downtrend. So now that I know that price is switching to a downtrend, I'll be looking for sells, which is exactly what we did. We marked our resistance, we marked our support, and we just waited for the breakout at market open, which is 9:30, and we got the breakout in this purple candle. We entered, put our stop above the recent zone, and we targeted a 1 to 2 risk to reward. That easy, that simple. If you guys want to trade like me or trade with me every single day, I trade live on Discord, completely free, no cost. So click the link in the description below. And yeah, start your trading journey. It's literally free money. So all you got to do is just click the link. It's a free Discord. And you guys can just copy my trades, trade with me, do everything I do, and you will make money. So click the link in the description below. Follow me on Instagram at MotionFX. Follow me on TikTok at MotionFX and start your trading journey.